This week for our senior report, we decided to switch our code on over from functions to state machine format. We started getting all of our flags set up, all the different values that we're going to have, as well as the features that we'll be incorporating and the order of importance. We wrote everything out. We're still writing everything as well. Here's a list of some of the variables that we'll be using. We're going to be using many flags in order to determine what will be used and in what order. I've been continuing to work with the current sensor, the CR9550. It's given us some issues when it comes to how to wire it up and how to read the voltage. So we talked with our professor, Professor Ramos, and he suggested the idea that just running the wire through the loop will produce a voltage. And when we recorded the values using a multimeter, we were able to record a small voltage in millivolts. However, when we put the white wire to ground and the other one going to the microcontroller, the values weren't reading correctly. So I've been trying different circuits, many different things here to try to get it going. I finally got something to work, and what it actually was it was determined by the orientation of the wire. So the way it needs to be set up is the CR9550. The black wire actually matters if the current going through the loop. So I purchased a voltage regulator, and using it with the current sensor and a voltage follower, I'm actually able to get a voltage coming out now, and I'm able to read it with the microcontroller. I started the values right here on the bottom left of the values that we're working on. Lastly, I started helping my
partner. David and I have been working on our app, and the programmer that we're using is called MIT App Inventor 2. And so pretty much this allows us to set up our design for our app right here. And we're able to put buttons, labels, anything we desire. And then we're able to switch to blocks section. And then we are able to just set blocks to our our labels or buttons to program everything, telling it exactly what we want it to do. So for example, if we want to connect to a Bluetooth, we have before it clicks it, and then after it clicks it, it selects the Bluetooth that we selected, and then from there it connects. And then from there, it's we're just able to program it the way we want it just by and to show blocks. What our app could do right now. So right now what we're able to do, we're actually able to connect to a Bluetooth signal. So right now we're going to connect to our HC06, which is right here. And when it's connecting, it's connected. It'll say connected right here at the label. And if we were to press turn on or turn off, see, turn on will give us a 1. Turn off will give us a 0. And if we were to set an alarm, we just place the time and the date and put send alarm, and it'll send the entire time in military time to an Arduino. And what this is for is when we have our other parts of our project programmed, we'll be able to get this data and then execute any features we want to do. And the other things I've been working on this week is the timer and countdown. So now whenever the person enters the alarm time and date, we're able to turn it off or on depending what the user inputs, as well as the timer. If the user to input a 1 minute or 10-minute input, the timer will shut off after the 10 minutes have run out or whatever time they've inputted.